Hello everyone, this is my video for SAS viya 3 and going through the different steps and directions for the SAS viya 3 2.1 to 2-37. And so this is the beginning of 2.1, and first it talks about some of the different investigating data in SAS. And so this could be loading tables, investigate the data, modify data properties, create data items. And then it continues to talk about marketing and profits and shipping to delivery times. Whoops. And then it continues with visual analytics methodology access, which takes identifying analysis tables to load tables into SAS. And then loading tables in the SAS, you have the SAS Environment Manager, SAS Visual Analytics, and some different studios, an enterprise guide, and open languages. And so looking at the self-service import, there's the local, the server, and visual analytics functions that are all a part of the Cloud Analytics Services, SAS. And so this continues to talk about the investigation piece, which is the table size, table shape, table contents, and detailed data. And then data types and visual analytics as well, which could be the date, time, the character, or numeric. And some of these are just the different indicates that SAS viya has. And so we can read through these, and just a couple are the categories, geography, or measuring it. It continues to go down as well. And so once we get to the actual SAS piece right here, we can start going through some of these things that it talks about. And so I've already signed into SAS, and we need to create a new report. And so we can go all the way back to, let's see here, it wants us to create a report. It is loading at the moment. Maybe it'll load. Let's see, we're here. Let's just go back to we'll click out of this, then we'll go here. I'm just going back to start from the beginning so that we have a fresh place. And so we want to create a new report. I don't think I actually needed to click out of it. This is loading very slow. So alright, we have a new one now. And products clean table. Um, I gotta explore and visualize, like it says. And then select start with data. Alright, here we are. And we're gonna upload that. Alright, well, we are approaching 6.5 minutes for this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it, but I will continue to work through these other steps for SAS viya 3, and I look forward to learning more about it. Thank you.